Chris Janock here, CES 2026. I'm in the VueReal booth with Brad, who's going to take us through all the micro-LED innovations they have this year. Aren't you, Brad?
Absolutely, Chris. So over here, we're showcasing our RDK4s. And so this is the older model, and we're showcasing that maybe 3 years ago, the LED technology was a little bit dimmer. But the one that we're showcasing now, the RDK4 here, transparent technology, you can see the brightness is significantly improved. So what was it in nits? 5,000. What was 2,000, I'd say.
Okay.
So the brightness, the transparency, the colors. And so our product strategy, again, is really to showcase micro-LEDs with our customers, right? So the reference design kits have been very successful. RDK4 specifically, a lot of backlog and a lot of interest in this, right? The value proposition, the transparency, the thinness, clarity of the displays. Okay. Allows our customers to, validate the technology, socialize micro-LEDs, and then they contact us for a custom project.
Gotcha.
And then beside it, it's RDK4 as well, but we're showcasing our mirror. So we call this the TrueView mirror technology.
Yes.
So again, the value proposition here is the thinness and the brightness and the clarity for the full display mirror for an automotive application.
So rear view mirror.
But typically a rear view mirror would have to use LCD technology, which is very power hungry. They have to put the LCD behind the mirror and push all that light through that mirror. And then there's cooling, there's challenges, there's bulk. And so utilizing the micro LEDs, you can see the thinness. Application. So again, our RDK4s are quite useful. We'll pop over here.
So tell me the use cases that people, like your customers, are kind of focused on these.
Yeah, so the full display mirror would be for the mirror type thing or consumer.
Yeah.
Any kind of contextual information that you'd like to put on a mirror application, and the RDK4 targeting any kind of display. So over here, we're showcasing our EcoView technology. This is again utilizing an RDK4.
Okay.
And it's a monocolor here, so we're just displaying a blue. And the value proposition here is actually using solar substrate with the pixel structure and micro LEDs combined. So basically, you'd never have to charge your smartwatch. So it's actually harvesting the energy from the light source and powering the device itself.
Yeah, you showed a demo of this last year as well. This looks a lot more refined.
Yeah, we've come a long way, actually. So we're super excited. There's a lot of interest. Again, on the consumer space, we actually showcased the government watch just beside it and turn it on to showcase some of the brightness that we can achieve versus then. So our watches actually, or our displays, a little bit brighter than.
Yeah.
So RDK2's been adopted by a lot of the automotive lighting sectors. You can see we're showcasing kind of our control software. We're able to control pixels on the display.
Oh, I see.
Brightness.
Okay.
So the control software just allows users to, I think I gotta go, control what they would like to see. Can load images, patterns, all kinds of stuff. Yes, and so this is available for RDK1 and RDK2.
So I guess the idea here is you can create custom messaging on the.
Absolutely. So what we like to do is we like to show the RDK1 as it is, and then we like to show an application. So here's a highlight that we've done.
Okay.
We're getting a lot of requests for contextual lighting or contextual information. So there's an icon there. Maybe there's an alert, turning, taillight. So micro LED technology has that brightness as well as has the ability to do some kind of messaging. Here we're in Las Vegas, so we decided to do a kind of a slot machine to show there's animations as well.
So here's that. Yes.
But again, the value
it's a taillight slot machine. Okay.
But you can see the value proposition, again, the thinness, right?
Yes.
This is instead of an automotive company having to kind of create that cavity for the illumination system,
right?
The value of micro LEDs, they can just put this on the back of the vehicle.
Smart tail light.
Smart tail light for us using the RDK2. So these are the actual panels that go inside of it. They're about 1 millimeter thick.
Okay. Boy, they sure look awful bright.
They're super bright. They're over about 20,000 nits.
Wow.
And over here, we have, so that was via our segmented drives, and we're showcasing our high resolution here. So 160 by 96, this just allows more refinement for companies that would like to do their logos or some kind of information. There we say, hello, Reza.
Yeah, let's see. Get a thing scrolling on the video here.
Yeah, the frame rate.
Yeah.
Still utilizes our RDK2 software. This really enables people to experiment with the micro LED technology.
Okay.
And here we're really excited to showcase. This is a joint initiative with Flexingate. So Flexingate's a tier 1 lighting supplier for automotive. This is actually their design. So they actually implemented our RDK2 in their tail light concept here.
Yes. One of the things with these, we
You
may
can see the Flexingate logo.
I'm just turning. It's so bright. It's just white. It's just white here.
So the RDK2 software is still valid for our RDK1 kits.
Oh, right. Okay.
And here we're kind of showcasing an actual kit. This is what a customer would purchase. They would receive the controller, the 4 panels of their choosing. We offer it in red, green, blue, white, and amber. The white and amber are phosphor coated.
Yes, I remember that.
That's right. So you can see we take a blue micro LED and we put the phosphor on there. And we see we're about a 10x gain on the brightness output.
Oh,
right. And again, utilizing the RDK2 software just to give the customer the ability to show the control. We're controlling the individual super pixels. And over here, we like to showcase the RDK2, and these are actual RDK1s. These are actual RDK1s that are inside the side mirror that we've designed.
I see.
And again, there's very little heat and the thinness of the form factor here. And showcasing our amber, which hits the automotive grade color specs.
Wow.
And these are the actual boxes that you'd be receiving if you purchase an RDK kit from us. They all fit in those nice little pelicans.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll do one last one. So this is the actual RDK4 kit. And it comes with this nice little house. Again, showcasing the transparency, the brightness. You're basically just driven by a small PC, any kind of source, HDMI in the back.
Okay.
Acting as a secondary display source.
Nice. I just asked them. And we might as well tell me prices for some of these RDK kits if you want.
Yeah, sure things. So over here, start with the RDK1, the lighting. Yeah, about $2,500 USD MSRP.
Okay.
RDK2, around $5,000 USD.
5,000. Okay.
Then that RDK4 is about 10,000. And then we do have an RDK5, which is our 10-inch, which we didn't showcase this year.
Okay.
And it goes up from there.
Okay. Pretty comprehensive.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you, Brad. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, Chris. Thanks.
Yep.